Hi, I'm Bryce,
And I'm Steve.
and we want to share the things that we love that make us happy.
And put us in a happy place.
And today we're going to talk to you about house sitting and how that lets us travel
locally
and globally.
So let's get to it.
So I've been the one mostly setting up the house sitters, the trusted house sitter site, and working it. And so Steve was curious about some things, and we decided to share with everybody because we've gotten lots of questions about this. So
we're going to go over some tips. What would be the first tip that we would do to start looking for a place?
I think the first thing is to set up a search. So you can search on their website a few different ways. You can put in your dates, you can put in locations, you can put in pets or no pets. You can, search by lots of different options. So the more things you put in, the smaller, your options will be. So you may, if you put in all the things you want and you're not getting any results, then you got to take some out. So you may be searching for France and be open to going anywhere in France, or you may just want Paris, or you want, just cats, or, no pets. So you can change that criteria to whatever you want.
So now that we went over that, what's another tip?
Another tip would be to apply as soon as possible. So as soon as something catches your eye, you want to apply, because they only allow, I think it's 3 or 4 applicants to apply, and then they close it for the homeowner to review those people. So as soon as you see something you want to go ahead and apply.
So I found from our first experience that a good tip would be, should you maybe locally try a pet sitting or a house sitting, pet sitting job, or can you just get a place globally right off the bat?
We were, in our experience, we are traveling in Europe, and we joined Trusted House Sitters so we could expand our traveling for free abroad and have a much longer vacation. And we were applying to pet sits and not getting them. And we didn't have any reviews. So a big tip, which Steve pointed out, is to do one locally. Get a pet sit locally. It's easy to do, especially if you're near a decent sized city in the States. And we had a great experience.
And it was a weekend.
It was a weekend.
Quick weekend.
And that got us a 5-star review, and
we instantly started having house owners get in contact with us.
Yes, they started picking us.
It was just by doing one house sit and getting a great review.
So that's a big tip. The next tip.
So if you are chosen, like we've been chosen, what's next?
Next is to request a video chat. And we prefer video chat to just calling them or texting back and forth, because you get a vibe. It's your vibe check. So you get to feel out the pet owners. Sometimes you get to see the cute pets, see the house. So that's a really important thing, especially if you're far away, to get that vibe check before you go.
And so far with the places we are going to be pet sitting or have, we did get that virtual walkthrough of the house. And to be able to see the pets. It's definitely more reassuring, and you just know what you're going into and whether you really feel good about it or not. Yes. Or if it's just a phone call or emails or texts, you don't get that feel.
Another thing, tip that leads us to, is we like to go the day before. So you don't have to do this. This is just how we like to do it. We like to go to the town the day before, and meet the pet owner, and go through the house and meet the pets, because the day that they're leaving on their vacation is usually a little stressful for them. They have a lot to do. They're trying to get packed up and out. And so if you come the day before, you get to meet them, go over everything, ask all the questions, like, how does your washer and dryer work? Do you have a coffee maker? Do the pets require, special food or
medications?
Yeah, medications. Do they require, are they good on a leash? Different things. So you can ask all those questions, which I recommend writing them down so you have it in your, you don't have to remember everything when you meet them. But it helps to go the day before and get a feel for the place.
So to wrap this up,
We just wanted to share, this is a new thing for us. We've really enjoyed it. Lots of our friends and family have asked us about it. And if you have any tips or comments, please leave them below.
Definitely.
And we'd like to learn, how you enjoy to travel and any tips with house sitting or experiences, please share.
Thanks.